beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making this beautiful wrap top on the screen, okay? And to start with, we'll be using a 1.5 yards of cloth. That's what I decided to use. You can use more than that depending your size or whatever your size might be, okay? So when you get your material, you cut out a 24 inches by folding. That is, the straight of it will be like 48. Okay, that's the length of it. But when you fold it into two, it will be 24. So you get that into two of that 24. Okay, when you're done getting that, you mark out your back neckline, which I'm using 3x2 here. That's the back neckline that I'm using. Then after that, you mark down your shoulder slope, and I'm using 1 inch for my shoulder slope. You trace it down with your curve ruler. So when done doing that, you cut out the shoulder slope and the back neckline. Then when you're done with that, you bring back the front side and the back side that you've cut already and make a distance of 9 inches, just as if you're cutting a wrap top, okay? Just make a distance of 9 inches, then mark the neckline you'll be using for the front and trace it down from the up to the down of that material, okay? So when you're done doing that, you mark out your sleeve. You mark out your sleeve, which I'm using 8 inches for my sleeve here, and you go in by 1.5 inches, just depending how deep you want it to be, okay? Then you give it a curve and trace it down to the downside and you cut out, okay? Just keep watching the way I'm doing it. Then you cut out the distance you've already marked out, as if just you're doing a wrap top, all right? So when you're done doing that, you remove the pins and set the cloth to a normal way that you can start joining the materials, just the way I'm doing here. So when you're done doing that, you head to your machine to stitch on that shoulder side. So I'm done stitching this shoulder side and remaining the neck side to give me that wrap shape that I'm working with, okay? I will go ahead to measure the round of that my neck. Whatever you give me, I will cut out a strap of it that will go round that neck side, from the down side to the neck side, then to the end of it. Just watch the way I will apply the bias to it. The bias I'm working with is a 2 inches by 2 inches bias, which I fold into two. It's 4 inches. I fold it into two to make that 2 inches of a shape. All right. So this is how I will fold it round that neck, and here I'm done folding it already. So the next thing is to hold the end side with a pin. Then I will go ahead to do some foldings and some bias applying. Just see the sleeve side, I will put the bias and stitch the downside. For the downside also, I will make an elastic space for it where I'll be putting my elastic, okay? So here I'm done applying all those things. I'm done stitching whatever I need to stitch, which I showed you earlier, and I'm ready now to put in the elastic, okay? And I'm doing it already here. When I'm done doing it, that is the end of the outcome, and our clothes will be ready. So this is the outcome of the design. Please, if you do find this video helpful, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.